Hi, my name's Tess, and I'm so honored to talk to you today through this video and to talk to you about my experience here with Dr. Vane at Moonlight Beach Dental. When I first arrived, I was pretty broken. I've had many past bad experiences with my dental, and I had come in pretty much begging her to help me out. And I had cracked teeth, broken areas. I had pieces that were put in that weren't fitting correctly, and she took me right in and just said, we're going to take care of you. And that's exactly what she did. It was so emotional for me to start, and I'm going to try to get through this video without crying, but truly, I cannot tell you how happy I am with the experiences that I've gone through here with Dr. Vane. She's truly transformed my smile, which in turn has transformed my life. I'm able to actually talk to people and smile without hiding and being a little embarrassed of my mouth. And I'm healthy, and things like that just don't come around every day. It's been a blessing to be here and to be able to smile and share it with everyone that comes up to me and says, hey, I love your smile, I love your teeth. And I'm like, yeah, I go see Dr. Vane. And I've introduced other people to come as well. So I hope that if you are afraid or you're feeling emotional about your dental experience, that you'll step out and visit with Dr. Vane as well. I'm so grateful.